Hello everyone, welcome to ChamiViews. This is our 34th video of our GoLang series. In the previous video, we have discussed about the channel closing, right? If you haven't read that one, please look into that because when you are learning about channel closing is very important concept, right? Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the range of channels, right? Using the range keyword, we already know we can iterate through some data types, right? We already have discussed in the those things in the previous videos, right? Okay, today I will tell you how we can iterate through the channels as well using the range keyword, right? Okay, first I will create a channel called queue, right? Make, right? With the string, right? I will add the capacity as 2, right? Okay, then I will send some values to the queue, like in this say 1, and also I will send some another value 2, right? Okay, now we already know we can close the channels, right? Like in this way. After closing, we are saying that we have finished sending data to this channel, right? Okay, after that we can iterate this channel if you want, right? I will create a variable called element, right? And then iterate through the queue like in this way, right? And then we can simply put fmt.println. These things are actually very simple things, right? But we want to know all the things, right? Then we are okay with the Go channels, right? Otherwise, if we haven't learned all the things from the channel, right, then we do not have enough confidence to programming with Go, right? That's the main reason I will cover all the things in the Go, right? Okay, if I run this program, what is the output now? In here you can see we have received the output, right? 1 and 2, right? Like in this way we can iterate through the channels, right? If you have any questions, right, related to the Go concurrency, you can put those things to the comment section. I will really happy to provide answers to all the questions that you have, right? Okay. Okay, if you have learned new things, please subscribe to the channel, please share these things with your friends. We will meet in the next video. Thank you, bye.